This drink right here is the Réveillon.
Pants are awful baggy. Got anything in there?
What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. This is the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Advent Calendar. This drink is from a very special guest. It is Rob from Rob's Home Bar, a channel I watch quite a bit. His channel is very, very entertaining and has a lot of the kind of drinks I really like. I like really strong, stiff drinks, and he's the man for that. Today's drink he's making is called the Réveillon. It's a French name. I'll let him explain more behind that. If you're new to the channel, this is your first time seeing this, we're running a little competition for Christmas. You can win some Christmas prizes. All you have to do is watch some videos. Details are in the description below. And without further ado, I will pass you on to Rob. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much.
What's up, home bartenders? Rob from Rob's Home Bar here, and it's a pleasure to be part of the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. So when I was asked to make my favorite Christmas cocktail, I had a lot to choose from because I love Christmas cocktails. I recently asked my viewers if they prefer kind of the sweet, creamy sugar bomb Christmas cocktails or the kind of stiff, warming Christmas Eve nightcaps. And I love both, but I'm definitely on the Christmas nightcap team. So I chose to make Le Réveillon, which is one of my favorite Christmas cocktails. Le Réveillon is basically a French word meaning a large meal that is typically eaten on Christmas Eve. And this cocktail is the perfect accompaniment to a large Christmas Eve meal. Let's make it. Le Réveillon, starting with 2 ounces of apple brandy, using a local bottle from Spy Distillery. Love that brandy. After that, we want some pear brandy. Now, last year when I made this cocktail, I used this Pear eau de vie from Spy Distillery, and it was a very stiff cocktail. Still good, but very stiff. When I made it earlier this year, I used my homemade spiced pear liqueur, and I found it was a bit on the sweet side. And then I figured, since I'm making it a third time for this video, why not split the difference and use both? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of our pear eau de vie, and then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of our spiced pear liqueur. There we go. After that, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Allspice liqueur. That's also a homemade recipe. And finally, 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. We're gonna finish it off with a dash of Angostura bitters. Wah. Give it some ice. Stir, stir, stir with the crazy face. And we're gonna serve it up in a nice coupe, garnish with a cinnamon stick, and I like to add a peel of orange. Don't forget to express those oils, and there it is. All right, there it is, Le Réveillon. Cheers. Oh my God, that's so good. Immediately, the spices, you get apple up front because it's an apple brandy drink, but immediately those spices, there's 1/2 ounce of allspice dram in here, and that is really potent stuff. I am happy that we went with the 1/2 liqueur, 1/2 pear brandy. I'm getting that pear flavor nicely, and I'm still getting a little bit of those spices from the spiced pear. But again, use whatever you have. If you have pear liqueur, use that. If you have pear brandy, use that, or pear eau de vie, as I had, use that. The sweet vermouth is still present and kind of keeps it in that kind of Manhattan territory, so it doesn't feel like too much of a departure from a Manhattan. But it's essentially, it's an apple allspice flavored Manhattan, perfect for sipping on Christmas Eve while you're wrapping last minute gifts. Oh, that's fantastic. Definitely try out Le Réveillon. You will not regret it. Cheers, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Now, delicious. On the nose, you can actually smell the pear brandy on that. I didn't have pear liqueur, I have a pear brandy. So I used the pear brandy, I used the allspice liqueur. Obviously you've got some sweet vermouth in here too, and some apple brandy. This is like everything I quite like in a stiff drink. I mean, straight away you do get the spices from the Allspice dram. The pear lingers on the tongue a little bit of sweet vermouth. It reminds me kind of like imagine what a Christmas kind of Manhattan sort of thing would be like. This is kind of that same kind of vibe. That is delicious though, very delicious. Le Réveillon. Rob, thank you so much. This is another drink I've never tasted before, so that's what this Christmas Advent calendar is all about. I'm experiencing quite a lot of drinks and stuff I've never had before in my lifetime, and this is great. Another one that's going to be added to my list of drinks that I will make every Christmas now. This is beautiful. Rob, go check out Rob's channel, by the way. Do it now. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. That is damn good.